Hello, this is Brian again. Welcome to clip number 2. So, been trudging up this for a cool minute now, for roughly about a half a mile. Not gonna lie, it's a really good workout. So I'm here at the next sign. So now, get to Fortuna Saddle Trail. I have just over a quarter of a mile. So it's good to have a park map, and it's also good to pay attention to all the crossings here. That was a nice little incline coming up here. I'm already sweating like crazy. Okay. That's the one I climbed last week. Right there. It's quite high. That's South Fortuna. Right there, the one closer. Alright. So I can get a little break from the uphill. I can see the trail. You won't see it on camera yet. Trail goes up there. It's supposed to be a big stairmaster. There are a couple of stairmasters going to Quaipai last week. Well, this one's supposed to be like that one, but on steroids. Feels nice to have a little break. So let's see here. Here we are. So I'm gonna have to go down this way. So pay attention to the trails. That South Fortuna Trail will be the one that goes up to the ridge there. I'm going to enjoy a little stretch of mellowness here. The sun's already starting to come up, so it's going to be a beat the clock type scenario today before the big summer furnace kicks on. And it's in the mid-60s right now, and I'm already completely soaked in sweat. Part of this is because of the dew points have been really high this summer, and the ocean temperatures are getting warm to the low mid-70s off the coast, so we're supposed to have some very muggy mornings. So that's going towards Fortuna Saddle. If I were going to do this to go up to North Fortuna, that's where I'd be going, but I'm not planning on going that far. Especially with the hot weather we've got going on. Unfortunately, we're going to have to give up some hard-earned elevation gain. Unfortunately. So you're doing this hike, especially during the warm times of the year, be prepared. You're going to have a lot of uphill on the way back. You're going to have at least 2 good stretches of it. But like I said, I already knew this going in. So I wanted to get this going early in the morning. And I'm going up this on the way back. It's going to be slow. by then it'll probably already be getting warm. It's very pretty out here. There's a nice coastal sage scrub. Sage, California sagebrush, black sage, laurel sumac. It would have been nice to have the marine layer one last morning, like yesterday. But a lot of times it seems to heat up towards my days off. Nice on the days when I'm working, and hot on the days I'm off. That's a lot of times how it seems to work for me. Some reason why I haven't been going up to the mountains a lot, because the mountains have been pretty hot and too. Alright, so yeah, got to get down there. I think the uphills probably won't be, well, this will definitely take some work. The last stretch, I think, as you're coming downhill, when you're starting the hike, you're coming downhill from the area where you parked. The original downhill stretch as you're starting your hike is a little gentler than that big uphill grind I just got over. Let's see. At least I got sunscreen with me. Got that, and I did purposefully slightly overpack on the water, because I know on the way out I'm probably going to be drinking quite a bit. Looks like we're about to meet up with something down there soon. So like I said, unlike a lot of the other hikes I've done, this one is like a connect the dots type of hike, where you're taking one trail then you're taking another. So this is one where paying attention and having a map and looking out for the signposts will be very helpful in navigating, because there are lots of trails that intersect and stuff like that. So, I mean, a lot of the stuff's pretty well marked, so it's pretty easy to get your way around. But studying the maps is definitely a good idea too, so it leaves a lot less guesswork. Alright, so just about at the bottom of this bit here, something else should be coming up pretty soon. Ah, boy. Yeah. Oh boy. Let's see what we got. Now we're coming up on another junction. Alright, so we're not going this way. This way. Okay, let's see. Here's the South Fortuna Trail right here. Here we go. South Fortuna. It's a mile and 1.2 miles from here. Okay. Wow. Used to be pretty wooded over here, but it looks like there's an oak dieback over here. Unfortunately. Wow, that's a shame. Pretty sad to see all the dead trees over here. But a lot of smaller living ones here, thank God. That's really pretty over here. Fortunately, a lot of dead trees though. Must have been a big oak die-off over here. Yeah, man, that's pretty sad. This will probably be the only shade you get right here. Ooh, yerba mansa. Okay. So here we are, South Fortuna Trail. So, this is where the work starts beginning again. Alright, Like I said, pay attention to the signs. This is where the fun begins, right here. Oh yeah, this is where the real work begins. Oh boy. I'm gonna turn off the camera for a little while. Start working up this way. Oh boy. Starting to get kind of fuzzy. I'll see you on the next clip. Yeah. Huh. I'll see you on the next clip.